Experience the epitome of luxury living in this stunning golf cottage nestled within the prestigious Great Waters gated community at Reynolds Lake, Oconee. This exquisite residence boasts an open floor plan featuring 2 generously sized bedrooms, each with its own ensuite bathroom, offering both comfort and privacy. The master suite is a true retreat, complete with a jetted tub and separate shower. The expansive dining area seamlessly flows into the great room, creating an ideal space for entertaining. The well-appointed kitchen showcases granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. A covered front porch and a spacious rear deck provide spectacular views of the meticulously maintained golf course. Recent upgrades enhance the home's appeal, including LVP flooring, plantation shutters throughout, updated lighting and ceiling fans, Nest thermostat and Ring security cameras with lights ensure comfort and security. Excellent opportunity for short-term or long-term rent.